So get your water in, you guys.
Get the water in, guys.
Why are you crying? Here. Get your water in, you guys. I just want to show y'all something real quick. So this driver he parked his flatbed right here, and it has this on it right here, this little box, I guess, where you can't get it. It says Fort Knox lock, where you have to call that number, I guess, to get it off. This trailer has been right here for like over a week, and they charge you per day. So I feel so bad for this driver, because these parking, when you get something like this put on your trailer, it is like so expensive to get off. So he's probably looking at like $3,000. Just recording this for video purposes only. I took my panel off of right here because I was trying to access my expansion valve, but I'm looking at these hose lines right here, and it's looking very green, as if there is a Freon leak, as if there was a Freon leak right here. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out. And also my floor was wet right here, and when I turned it into the Freightliner dealership, they said that they had it for 5 days, and I told them to replace my expansion valve, which I believe is right here, and they did not do it, and they ended up telling me they were backed up. So now I'm just trying to see, because my AC was working and then now it just stopped, and I told them there might be a Freon leak, but they never got to this point. So this clearly looks like a Freon leak, right? So I'm trying to figure out what's behind this panel, which I think it's the evaporator system. So I'm getting ready to try and pull this panel off to see if it's back there. So I have fully removed, there's like this gunky rubber stuff that was like insulation that was wrapped up around my expansion valve. I've unplugged the sensors that go into this, y'all know the name of this, I said it in one of my videos, but the expansion valve is fully exposed. There's nothing leaking from here. So far the Freon looks like it's only right here, and I freed up the spray on, it's like a spray on rubber that was around these pipes. I'm gonna fully expose this so that once I get the part, it'll just pop out. I just want all of my AC parts replaced. So I have the expansion valve, it's inside of here. I'm gonna show you guys. So, but first I want to get this cover off. So I have this bit case where I'm going to find the proper one and see if I can get it off. So I'll be right back. So according to coming with an old truck, this screw right here is stripped, but I was able to pry the panel up a little bit. Let me see if I can get you guys in there. Do you see how the Freon is on that upper pipe? So I'm just assuming that's where my Freon leak is. I'm not gonna replace this yet. I'm going to post this video for you guys to tell me what you guys think, and I'm gonna have to find a way to get those bolts stripped. I gotta remove this piece right here to get to that bolt, to take that panel off, to take this full panel off. But since this is stripped, I'm gonna have to try and get that off somehow and then fully expose this. Today was one of those days where I had to get the switcher driver to put my truck in the dock. We are at the Mission Foods in Lakeland, Florida. Look at how this dude has a switcher truck, right? Do y'all see that? Like, there is no way my long-nosed truck would have been able to cut that corner. Do you see how close he is to this wall? What makes them think I would have been able to get in there? Thank God that this switcher truck is here. He's literally barely scraping that wall. He has no room for correction. I have never seen a switcher truck struggle to get in somewhere. And I told them they should have gave me one of these doors down here, because it would have gave me room to pull up and jack myself in. So, and they didn't want to switch me, so I asked him to do it, and he's struggling. So now he's about to try to jack a little bit better so that he can give himself some pull-up space. He's literally jacking, like really jacking his truck. There's no way. Just assign a new door. Or make this truck driver drop his trailer, because apparently this facility is too small. I bet he's agitated right now. I would have been even more agitated if I would have had to do this. Lord have mercy. Why is it so dark today? Uh-oh, see, now he's not as close to the wall. So I think he's gonna make it. Lord, please don't let him damage my trailer. Oh. Come on, baby, you got it. You got it. And the crazy thing is, I'm gonna leave my truck right here, because if I go pull in front of my trailer and couple to my trailer, everybody that comes in, I'm gonna be blocking the entrance. So why would you give a long nose truck? Like, they came out and seen what kind of truck I got. Why would you give a long nose truck that door? They just be expecting you to make stuff work.